At the start of day 2, we took our time and went around the villa early in the morning. So we explored the different nook and corners of the villa and then we're ready to have our breakfast. Tinni decided the menu and we ordered it from a nearby place, and it was appam and veg stew. Tinni's love for Keralian food is visible here. And then we were ready for our sightseeing. So we have started for our day sightseeing. This is the Kabini River. It is 11:25, 6th of August. We are on our way to Banasura Dam right now. The route from AB's villa to Banasura Dam was particularly scenic. We enjoyed our drive, which was around an hour long, and the plan for the day was decided with the help of Mr. Ajoop from AB's villa. So he was very helpful in terms of sending us recommendations as to how we could plan our 2-day trip to Wayanad. On reaching Banasura Dam, we found the place pretty crowded, as was expected on a Sunday. So Ma was waiting in the car park along with Selvamanna as Tinni, Mitali, Baba and myself made our way through to Banasura Dam. The place had the look of a very beautiful natural amusement park with lot of joy rides and boating spots and things like that. The weather was beautiful. It was breezy and windy, and soon we encountered rain as well, so we had to take shelter and wait for a few minutes for the rain to subside. As soon as the rain relented, we made our way out and then looked around the beautiful places and decided that we will try our luck with a boat ride which is called a coracle. So here we are in that same spot. Tinni তোর ভয় লাগছে? প্রচন্ড। Okay. Tinni is anxious and this is our coracle. Coracle. This is coracle and we will go in Banasura Dam. Perrier Water Sports. This is our crew. We have been told to wait. Chetta has gone. We are in Coracle and we are ready. Chetta is with us. And let's go. Corackling, corackling, corackling. Resort? Which one? That one? Oh, that is resort. Oh. So we are done with Banasura Dam and now turning back to the car parking area. It's around 1:45. So let's see what's ahead. So we went to the Pakodi Lake, but the lake seemed okay, so didn't stay there for long, just looked around, and then now we have come to this place called Wilton Restaurant. This is a place recommended by our Airbnb caretaker. It has started raining, I need to run, but basically the place seems very crowded. Half an hour of waiting time, and let's see. So now we are waiting in Wilton restaurant for waiting time, and we can see people eating inside, and this is how it's looking, and it's pouring outside. After waiting for about half an hour, we finally made our way into the Wilton restaurant, and I tell you what, the wait was worth it. Absolutely, we ordered a lot of dishes and items, primarily into Kerala cuisine, and we loved every bit of it. But I think our favorite would be this kunafa and the Nirvana chicken. Wayanad ki Wadiya. This looks beautiful. Police has just come. It's a no parking area, though it doesn't seem like, because see, you can see so many cars parked. But anyway, this guy, police officer, has come and he has asked us to go, and so we are leaving right now. But fantastic view. I'm very curious to know what that is. I do not know. We'll try and figure out and find out. Maybe I'll go back and ask Ajub. A lot of monkeys around. क्या नाम की बोले थे? Rambutan. After finishing our quota of different sightseeing spots for the day, we went around a bit to do some shopping, and then eventually returned back to our Airbnb later in the evening. 11 p.m. at night. We are having our dinner from Paddy's Field. Menu tonight is chicken fried rice, garlic chicken, and chicken ghee roast. And the last 1 hour we were spending over here, and we are watching this Malayalam movie 2018. So it's the end of day 2. We have had our dinner just now. It's 11:20 at night, and had a fascinating day at Wayanad. We are back in the villa, obviously, and this is how it's looking right now. This is the car in which we are going around, and this is another fascinating thing, a jeep which is parked over here, right? And there's a well as well. Oh, that rhymed well. And I'll just quickly go around to that part, which is the back side of the villa, and I will try to capture the sound which is coming in, and we can hear this sound even from inside the villa. I know you can barely see me probably, but what I'll do is I'll just walk up to that part of the villa, and I will just keep mum for 5 seconds, and I'll try to capture the noise, the chirping noise of birds, insects, and so many other things probably that I don't even know, but we'll try to capture that. So we'll go to that part and just keep mum for a few seconds. Let's see. I think the noise is already shooting up. This is the villa, and hear it.